Hey guys, I have a fun DIY today. I am going to do some distressing on this graphic sweatshirt. These are like blowing up Instagram right now. The girl that sells these has a shop on Amazon, and they come in like tons of different prints and styles. You can get them in t-shirts, long sleeve t-shirts, sweatshirts. And they're really fun, but I think it will be even cuter when I add just a little bit of distressing to it. Okay. It's a little gloomy in here today, but we're gonna make this work. My kids have friends over, so it's also a little... Okay, so I finished cutting around the neckline. I'm just left with this little scrap here. Now I'm going to move down to the hem and do some distressing here. Okay, so now I'm just going to do a few little cuts just along here. And this will look a little bit better after it gets washed up. But I'm just gonna work around just every few inches, making just a little cut along the hem there. Okay, you can see I made a little hole here. I actually put the sweatshirt on to see where I wanted it because I wanted it like below my the waist of my pants. So I just snipped there and then I just stretched it with my fingers, and I'm gonna do a couple more just kind of randomly around this now. Do one here. Again, you can make these different length, you know, however big you want them. You might want yours bigger or smaller. And then I'm just gonna stretch them out a little bit. And I think I'll do one more here. And then just fingers in there. Kind of pull at it. It might rip a little bit more. Okay, so there's the next step. And I think I'm gonna also do one right up here. Just a little one there. Okay, so there's that. Okay, the next thing that I did was just make two little slits right along like the side seam of the sweatshirt. Just to kind of vent it open, and I did that on both sides. And then lastly, I'm gonna go in on the cuffs and just make a few more just like little cuts, just like I did down here along the bottom there. Okay, it's gloomy, so I needed the light, and there is a lightsaber battle of some sort going on. So it's a little noisy in here, but just wanted to show you guys the finished product. Again, you can make this as wide as you want if you want it on or off the shoulder. Just a little bit of distressing here. Those little slits we made around the hemline, kind of hard to see. And then I added like the venting along the sides there. And then just that little bit of distressing around the cuffs as well. So yeah, as much or as little as you want. I just think it adds a little bit of something extra to them. I'm in a medium in this. It is, I believe it's unisex sizing, but they're just so fun. I think I will order another one, just do it up a little bit differently, but I just love these.